Well, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It has got our cylinder heads on it, the HR 200s. It's got your Victor Jr. manifold. Got it all powder coated for you. It looks beautiful. Front end on it, March. MSD Pro Billet, Quick Fuel SS 750. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller. Take you in there and show you how to run. Alrighty, 3,500, 517 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 546. That's a great number. Peaks horsepower 517. Well, we rate this at 520 and it's got a front end on it. That's usually about 15 or so. So everything's great. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.